Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to set up private internet access VPN step by step. If you are looking for a secure and fast VPN to protect your online activities, then this video is for you. Now let's get started. First, you will need to subscribe to PIA VPN. Once you have signed up, you will get your username and password. Make sure to keep them safe. Then go to the official PIA website and download the app for your device. You can see here that PIA supports Windows, Mac, Android, iOS and Linux, so just choose the right one for you. After downloading, install the app and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, you will see the main interface, and from here, you can connect to a VPN server with just one click. Now that you are logged in, you can see here that PIA gives you a list of servers from different countries. You can choose any server based on your needs, whether for streaming, security or better speeds. Once you have selected a server, just click connect and that's it. You are now browsing securely with PIA VPN. Now let's go into the settings menu where you will find a lot of options to customize your VPN experience. Here, in the general settings, you can enable auto launch so PIA starts automatically when you turn on your device. You can also change the theme, whether you like dark mode or light mode, it's up to you. Now let's move on to the protocol section. Here you will find two main options. WireGuard, this is the faster option, great for streaming and gaming. Then OpenVPN, this is more secure and gives you control over encryption levels. If you are looking for speed, WireGuard is the way to go. But if your security is your top priority, you can switch to OpenVPN and even choose between 256-bit or 128-bit encryption. Now let's check out some PIA's advanced features. Here you can see the DNS setting. You can use PIA's private DNS servers for extra security and even enable the ad blocker to block annoying ads. Then you have the kill switch feature. This automatically cuts off your internet if the VPN disconnects, so your data stays protected at all times. Now here is really useful feature. Split tunneling, you can choose which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. So for example, you can have your browser connected to the VPN while you are streaming. Apps use your regular internet. One of the best thing about PIA VPN is that you can use one subscription on up to 10 devices. So whether you want to protect your phone, laptop, tablet or desktop, you are covered. And if you are still unsure, PIA offers 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. So that's how set up PIA VPN in just a few minutes. Easy installation, fast and secure connections, useful features like kill switch and split tunneling. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more VPN tips. Also, let me know in the comments which PIA feature you like the most. Thanks for watching and have a great day.